Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to set anniversary on Zomato account. So first we're going to go to the Zomato app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your profile section on the top right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your profile, which is 80% completed as of now. So we're going to click on the anniversary button. Then you're going to insert your anniversary date. So this date could be the date you opened your restaurant if you're a restaurant owner. So it's something related with the opening of your business. So once you're done, you're going to click on confirm and click on update profile. So that's how you do it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.